And that's the Flower of Maryland is the Black-Eyed Susan. There's a cocktail name for it? Welcome back, and we did the first leg of the Triple Crown of horse racing, the Mint Julep, so why don't we take a look at one for the Preakness and do a Black-Eyed Susan. This is also the official cocktail of Maryland, where I'm from, and you know, it involves some ingredients I've never used, so let's get into it. Need a lime, need 1/4 ounce of lime juice. So now I need orange juice. I need 3/4 ounce of orange juice. And now I need 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And now to start into some liqueurs. I'm gonna use Saint Germain. This is elderflower liqueur. Never used it. I've heard good things about it. So, yeah, first time cracking it open. Ooh, that's an interesting smell. So I need a 1/2 ounce of Saint Germain, and I need 1 1/4 ounce of vodka. I'm using Tito's. Basically pick whatever vodka you want and it should work. And since we have fruit juice in here, which also means maybe a little bit of pulp, get your ice and we're going to shake this thing up. I'm going to go 4 cubes. Take a Collins glass, and I'm also going to fill this up with, I'm going to fill this up also with 4 cubes. You know the drill. Go! Grab yourself a Hawthorne strainer, strain into the Collins glass over ice. Now for garnish, this would have an orange slice or 2 and a cherry in between to make it look like the Black-Eyed Susan, but that's optional. Use it for what you wish. So just going to introduce a straw, and here we have a Black-Eyed Susan. Cheers. That's interesting. I don't know what to make of it. It's somewhat... it's bland. The elderflower liqueur just, it took it over. And I didn't use more than what I called for, but it doesn't taste like anything. Like the pineapple juice is muted. Everything is muted in this. I mean, it's not a bad cocktail. It's just, everything is muted to my palate. I'm not getting the orange, the pineapple, the lime. It's like, it's just all been muted. I don't know what else to say. Maybe the garnish will help, but I'm not sure. Weird, man. Well, that's the Black-Eyed Susan for the second leg of the Triple Crown. And as we continue with this month of speed throughout the month of May, the next one will be for the final race of the Triple Crown, the Belmont Stakes. Be sure to tune in for that one. Until then, thank you for watching. You know my socials down the block below, all that BS, you know. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, you know. And until next time, thank you for watching. I will see you next time with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.